new pickup in today from Goat. Picked this up, brand new, no box, for a very great price. Way under what market is if you want to buy it with the box. And it's like a damn near $300 difference. So I just snagged it up. Not like I wear the box anyways, and I have I got the shoe containers from the container store, so I don't need it. These are the Air Max 1s, Amsterdams, from the City Pack. So, the shoes, beautiful. Let me take everything out first. Got our Goat sticker as well. And yeah, let's take a look. The shoes right over here. Air Max 1 Amsterdams from the City Pack. So they had this one and they had the London. I think this pair is super clean. I will pick up the London sooner or later. But yeah, look at the details. Got the corduroy, suede. Yeah, very nice. Very, very nice. Air Max right over here. Got leather hit as well. So just a crazy material shoe. Got the 3X's. Small little stain right here, or a little glue stain. Yeah, nothing crazy, not major. Then has a little nice little soft suede toe box. Check out the bottoms. It's like a sail colorway. Yeah, it's a little dirty right there, but it's all good. Not complaining for the price. Here's the other pair. It doesn't come with extra laces, I don't think. But I love the mini swoosh right there. And these are beautiful, beautiful. Happy to pick these up for a great price. I'm definitely not paying over like $450 or $500. That's what I was going for with the box. Paid way less. But yeah, this little small creasing right there, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, these are nice. Can't wait to wear these. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to subscribe, support the channel, I really appreciate that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I'm out. See ya. Peace.